What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your girl Steph, and as you can see we are doing a condo tour today. I am super excited to show you guys this journey that we're on and the change for us and just everything that's going on right now. This was completely unplanned, so it was very stressful. I think me and Chase both kind of looked at each other and were like, yeah, I don't know that this 2-bedroom apartment's gonna work anymore for the both of us and to a Great Dane. So we just did not want to do another winter there letting the dogs in and out. We wanted something with more space and something that was a little bit easier for the meantime. So it was just something we woke up, we signed the lease, we broke the lease of our other place because we had until next July, I think. So we were just ready to go. I don't think we could do it again, but I'm gonna give you guys a little empty condo tour, and then if you're interested in how I style it, I can do another tour later on once we get some stuff furnished and how I actually made the place, because how I said I was gonna do it in the video, it's definitely changed a little bit. We've been in for a week now, so I am recording this intro after the fact. We moved in just because it was so hectic and busy when we were moving in, because we actually did it all ourselves. We didn't hire anyone, and I have a ton of stuff. We actually still have more stuff to move. It's at the other apartment still, so we have a 2-month grace period, but I'm kind of rambling on. I'm sure you guys don't really care. You just want to see the place. And I just want to say thank you. We're almost to 5,000 followers on YouTube. So we're growing a little YouTube family, and I'm super excited you guys get to be along for this journey in the next chapter for us. I can tell you the dogs are so much happier, and yeah, let's get into today's little tour. Okay, so this is the front door, and if you were to come in the front door, it would lead you straight up to the staircase and living room. We have a cute little electric fireplace. It's pretty roomy. I like that it's connected to the kitchen and dining room area. We have this nice big walkout deck that looks towards the woods. And the ceilings are super high, so it feels really big. And then to the left is the master. Double sink, some nice pull-out drawers, which is a must for me. For storage, a nice big tub to soak in. The only thing it's missing is towel and a cabinet space, so maybe I'll put something here. And then the nice shower. Double shower head, and this will probably be my just clothes closet in here. And then left side is washer dryer room. They left this here, so we might use that. I don't know yet. 2-car garage is right there. And then this will be the guest bathroom, which is super pretty. I like that they did black in here. So I think I'm gonna change everything upstairs to black mirrors and lighting. And then my office, tall ceilings, fans. Love that they give you remotes. And then just this little closet. We have the big kitchen. Nice island to do bar stools, and then a dining room area. A ton of cabinet space, which I love the look of these cabinets. They look so much more expensive than our last place. Nice countertops. Nice stove. You really appreciate these things, and a deep sink when you're an adult. And then a little mini fridge. I'm so excited for this, and to do a little coffee bar area. A big fridge. And then it's so nice to have like a food pantry again. Like I miss this so much. Like I feel like it's so hard to meal prep when you can't even store food. So then we have a coat closet. And then upstairs, to the left will either be like my makeup beauty room or Chase's room. He'll probably have me take this one because this one's the smaller of the rooms up here, and I'll do like a shoe closet, bag closet, like accessories. And then extra bathroom. Probably won't use this one too much, but it has like an awkward toilet in here with the shower and another cabinet space, but 2 toilets back to back, so that's unique. And then this will probably be Chase's office. So he has a big walk-in closet in here as well. That's where his clothes will go. And then it's like a big bonus room for us here. This was gonna be the dog room, but I think we're gonna do it downstairs so the carpet doesn't get gross, and we might do this as like a movie room. So that's super nice. And then the last area is the basement. All right. So on the right side, we would probably do my gym on this side. Seems how it has windows and natural light, and I'll probably paint it, make it look nice. And we have a walkout basement. It opens on both sides of the balcony, which is nice for the dogs. They can run down there and use the bathroom in the woods. And then we'll do like some kind of carpet, make it cozy in there for the dogs, and do like a storage area as well, like under the stairs and probably over there. And the dogs, you know, we'll make this homey for them. But honestly, we'll probably give them the upstairs carpet room, because why would I want them down here? I'm just trying to think logically. Still trying to figure out exactly where we're gonna want everything and everybody. I do have some videos of the dogs seeing it for the first time ever. Biggie does have a room upstairs. We didn't put him in the basement, so we didn't do that to him. I was just kind of talking and delusional. We're not going to put our dog in the basement. So he has his own room upstairs. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the condo tour. I love having this as like a memory for us to look back on it later, to see where we're at this point of our lives. I love watching empty house tours, so I'm glad I got to do my own this time. I wasn't really on YouTube the last time I moved into a place, so it's nice I get to have this now and to share it with you guys. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure you give this one a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on a bell so you don't miss a video of mine. But yeah, I think that's about it so far. I will come back with another video of it like furnished if you guys are interested, so you'll have to let me know in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next YouTube video.